Hello guys, let's find out how much BitBoy Crypto making from YouTube. Note that affiliate earnings are not included. This is just the YouTube channel. Let's go to Social Blade and paste his channel ID. As you see, his channel is ranked in the United States. His estimated monthly earnings are from 1K to 16K dollars. But I think it's more because the CPM in the crypto is $10, around $10. His daily YouTube earning is around between $20 to $400. I think that $1,000 is the actual daily earning. So he's making around 30K amount. We see that his views dropped a lot since January. Now it's backing up again. This might indicate that the price of Bitcoin may go up again because more people are interested. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.